Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. It is like 7:30 in the morning. No, I don't wake up every Sunday at 7:30 in the morning. This was kind of more of an occasion type thing. And yeah, I'm basically gonna go ahead and start doing all of my errands and kind of just making sure the house is clean and doing my Sunday usual. I just woke up, so I have to fix some pieces in my hair. Right, so it's fall time in Miami. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. We're looking at some 50, 60 degrees with some wind. So this is the outfit that I put together because the fall time is my favorite time to dress. So I have these really cute slippers with cats on them. And then I have just some nice jeans from American Eagle. They're my favorite place to get jeans. Cable knit sweater from an old friend. I have this scarf from Italy and then this jacket from Francesca's that basically I just threw together. I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I have my reusable bags that I love so much, honestly. My camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna leave it here to charge, but I will be sure to show you guys what I get. So, see you soon. Bye. All right, so I'm back from the grocery store. I'm starting to hear cars. I have my window open. But yeah, went back from the grocery store. I want to say this yellow bag and this brown bag is Trader Joe's. And these two are from Publix. So I'll go ahead, I'm gonna lay it all down and we'll go through it. For starters, I got some of this Trader Joe's vegan banana bread with walnuts. I've heard that this is absolutely delicious. And for gains, like this is perfect. Look at that carb amount. Yes, for just one slice, I'll take it. I also have fresh bread. I mentioned last week on my Instagram that like fresh bread has been my go-to and it's so cheap. It's like $2 for this loaf. So I'm really happy with that. I have these apples that I got at Trader Joe's. They were like 50 cents each, so I grabbed 3 apples. Got this shawarma, I might pronounce that incorrectly, I'm sorry, chicken thighs. They look really, really good and seem to be pretty easy to just like throw into the oven after work. So that's what I'm gonna do with those. Have some ground beef. Got 2 packs of those. They were $3. I have some fire roasted salsa because I ran out. Caramelized onion dip for my chips. I went ahead and purchased two different vitamins, a women's probiotic, this is like for my stomach, and then omega-3 fatty acids for me and my boyfriend. Since we're working out together, he wants to be sure that he's getting all of his vitamins and nutrients in now, so I'm very proud. Here we have organic applesauce, again, the gains. I have these herbs, parsley and oregano, because I'm doing a recipe tonight that calls for fresh ones, and this is the freshest I could find. These were buy one, get one free, so I purchased the chicken drums. I have 3 Siggi's yogurts. They're all the mixed berries flavor. It was 3 for $5. I saw this on sale, the Zero Pasta Spaghetti. I've seen a lot of people try it, so I definitely want to give this one a shot, see what it does, if it actually is good. Eggs, always need my eggs. I have blackberries, I have to wash them, specifically this one because it fell on the floor. Whole red onion, I love onion. I have these hot chocolate packets so I can take to work. Cereal is buy one get one free, so I got a chocolate Cheerios and an Oat Crunch cinnamon Cheerios. Potatoes, because we carb up in here. Carb, carb, carb. We are not afraid of carbs in this household. Got some more hot chocolate. Found the last apple cider at Trader Joe's. Thank goodness. So 100% apple cider. I'm so excited to have that. Grab some quick onion salt because this is bomb. Bananas because it's one of the best carbs out there, one of the highest for fruits. And then we can just switch over super here real quick for some house items. I just got these Air Wicks. I just realized that's Glade. I need to return that because I have Air Wick, but I don't know, maybe it works. We'll see. So I have some air fresheners in the bottom and top of the house to make sure they smell good. I got this Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner in the honeysuckle scent. I wanted the snowflake scent, but I could not find it anywhere, so I stuck with honeysuckle. And then I got this Method Daily Shower Cleaner, which for me I find super important and just super nice in general when I'm cleaning. It just makes everything a lot easier, has everything like scented well, so it just doesn't smell nasty in the bathroom or anything like that, so I got that. That's the grocery haul. I really hope that you guys liked the grocery haul. This is not one of my most typical ones. I definitely do want to bring you guys on to one of my most like favorited and requested grocery hauls, which is when I do like everything. I go to Publix, I go to Fresco, I go to BJ's. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead, organize my fridge, put all this stuff away, and continue my laundry day. So catch you in a few. All right, so everything is put away-ish, organized. Here I have my corner. It's my glass of water, but I used the wire basket. I have an avocado, 3 apples, and a thing of bananas. Here I have the bread, and on top I just have the banana bread, but right in here, just bloop, right there. It's beautiful, I love it. Bam. I organized my top, so very happy about that now. And then the fridge is looking full. We got this giant pack of these Izzy's off of Amazon, so that's that. And then my freezer's pretty stocked too. Good stuff. Then up here, I always have cereal. It's so freaking important. Cornflakes, Special K protein, and then these Cheerio ones. I always buy cereals, buy one, get one free. That's why I get so much. I have some Wheat Thins. These are just some pretzels, and then my protein powder that I have. That's pretty much it. I guess I can also show you this is my coffee cabinet. So here I have like coffee and then sugar. And I have more coffees back there. Here I have pumpkin spice, ground nutmeg and cinnamon, my mugs, hot chocolate. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and start my meal prep. Ooh, now I'm gonna go ahead and start my meal prepping and making what I'll be having for dinner tonight.